Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Let us discuss about Minestrone Soup. The name itself conjures up images of rustic Italian kitchens filled with enticing aromas. Picture a cozy kitchen with wooden beams, a large pot simmering on the stove, and the scent of fresh herbs wafting through the air. This hearty soup, with its roots in peasant traditions, has stood the test of time, evolving from a humble dish into a beloved classic. Originating in Italy, minestrone was a way for families to make the most of what they had, turning simple, everyday ingredients into something truly special. What began as a resourceful way to utilize seasonal vegetables and pantry staples has become a symbol of Italian comfort food, enjoyed by families around the world. Each region in Italy has its own version, reflecting the local produce and culinary traditions, making minestrone a versatile and adaptable dish. Minestrone is more than just a soup. It's a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients. From the crispness of freshly picked vegetables to the earthy aroma of herbs like basil and oregano, every component plays a crucial role in creating its unique flavor profile. Each spoonful offers a symphony of flavors and textures thanks to the vibrant vegetables, aromatic herbs, and satisfying beans that make up its base. The combination of ingredients not only makes it delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, providing a balanced meal in every bowl. It's a dish that speaks to our desire for both nourishment and indulgence, reminding us that healthy eating doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. Whether enjoyed as a starter or a main course, minestrone offers a comforting warmth that soothes the soul and satisfies the palate. One of the defining features of minestrone is its flexibility. You can add pasta, rice, or even quinoa to make it heartier. The choice of pasta can vary from small shapes like ditalini to larger ones like penne, each adding a different texture to the soup. Beans are another essential component, providing protein and a creamy texture. Cannellini beans, kidney beans, or even chickpeas can be used, each bringing its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits. The cooking process itself is a labor of love. Slowly simmering the ingredients allows the flavors to meld together, creating a rich and hearty broth that is both satisfying and nourishing. The longer it cooks, the more the flavors develop, making it even more delicious the next day. Serving minestrone can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. A sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, or a handful of fresh basil can elevate the dish, adding an extra layer of flavor and sophistication. Ultimately, minestrone is more than just a meal. It's an experience. It's about gathering around the table with loved ones, sharing stories and creating memories. It's a dish that brings people together, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. And let's not forget its seasonal adaptability. In the spring, you might find it brimming with fresh peas and asparagus. In the summer, it could be bursting with tomatoes and zucchini. Fall might bring in hearty root vegetables, while winter's version could be rich with kale and potatoes. No matter the season, minestrone remains a timeless favorite, offering comfort and nourishment with every spoonful. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of simple, wholesome cooking, and a reminder that sometimes the best meals are the ones made with love and care. Minestrone soup isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. One of its key health benefits is its high fiber content, thanks to the generous amount of beans and vegetables. Fiber aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. But the goodness doesn't stop there. This hearty soup is also packed with antioxidants from ingredients like tomatoes, onions, garlic, and leafy greens. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. This recipe yields 6 to 8 servings, making it perfect for a family dinner or meal prep for the week. The preparation time is just 15 minutes, so you can quickly get everything ready without spending too much time in the kitchen. The cooking time is around 30 minutes, giving you enough time to relax or prepare other dishes while the soup simmers. For the ingredients, you will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which adds a rich flavor and helps to saute the vegetables. 1 onion, chopped finely to give a sweet and savory base to the soup. 2 carrots, chopped for a touch of sweetness and color. 2 celery stalks, chopped, which add a nice crunch and depth of flavor. And 2 cloves of garlic, minced, to infuse the soup with a wonderful aroma and taste. You will also need 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, which provides a robust and tangy base for the soup. 6 cups of vegetable broth, which adds a savory depth and helps to meld all the flavors together. 1 cup of small pasta like ditalini or elbow macaroni, which makes the soup hearty and filling. You can choose your favorite type of small pasta to customize the texture and taste. 1 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, rinsed and drained, which adds protein and a creamy texture to the soup. These beans are a great source of fiber and nutrients. 1 cup of chopped greens like kale, spinach, or escarole, which not only adds a vibrant color, but also boosts the nutritional value of the soup. You can mix and match the greens based on your preference or what you have on hand. Salt and pepper to taste, which allows you to season the soup according to your liking. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out, so start with a little and adjust as needed. And finally, grated Parmesan cheese for serving, if you like. This adds a savory and slightly nutty flavor that complements the soup beautifully. It's optional, but highly recommended for an extra layer of taste. To start cooking, heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. This will ensure that the vegetables cook evenly and develop a nice flavor. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot and cook until they are softened, about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 minute more. This will release its aroma and enhance the overall flavor of the soup. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, vegetable broth, and pasta. Make sure everything is well combined and the pasta is submerged in the liquid. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together and the pasta to cook through. Add the cannellini beans and chopped greens to the pot. Cook until the greens are wilted and the pasta is cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes more. Stir occasionally to ensure everything is evenly distributed and cooked. Once the soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese if desired. Serve hot and enjoy this hearty, nutritious, and customizable soup with your family or friends. It's perfect for a cozy meal on a chilly day or anytime you crave a comforting bowl of goodness. Section 4. Protein Power Up. From beans to meat, take your pick. One of the best things about minestrone soup is its versatility. This classic Italian soup can be tailored to fit any dietary preference or nutritional need, making it a favorite in many households. Whether you're a vegetarian, a meat lover, or somewhere in between, minestrone soup can be adapted to suit your taste buds and dietary requirements. While beans provide a great source of plant-based protein, you can easily customize your soup with other protein sources to suit your taste and dietary needs. Beans, such as kidney beans, cannellini beans, and chickpeas, are not only rich in protein, but also add a hearty texture and earthy flavor to the soup. They are perfect for those who prefer a vegetarian or vegan option. Chicken shredded cooked chicken or diced rotisserie chicken adds a lean protein boost to your minestrone. Chicken is a versatile protein that blends seamlessly with the other ingredients, providing a mild flavor that complements the vegetables and broth. You can use leftover chicken from a previous meal or quickly cook some chicken breasts or thighs specifically for the soup. Sausage. For a heartier flavor, try adding sliced Italian sausage to the soup during the initial sauté. The sausage adds a rich, savory taste that infuses the entire pot with its spices and seasonings. You can choose from mild or spicy Italian sausage depending on your preference. Cooking the sausage first ensures that it is fully cooked and allows the flavors to meld with the other ingredients. Ground beef. Brown some ground beef with the onions and vegetables for a richer, meatier minestrone. Ground beef adds a robust flavor and a satisfying texture to the soup. Be sure to drain any excess fat after browning the beef to keep the soup from becoming too greasy. This option is perfect for those who enjoy a more substantial, filling meal. Lentils. Boost the fiber and plant-based protein even further by adding a cup of brown or green lentils along with the pasta. Lentils are a fantastic addition to minestrone soup, as they cook relatively quickly and absorb the flavors of the broth and other ingredients. They also add a slightly nutty taste and a pleasant texture, making the soup even more nutritious and satisfying. Whether you choose to use beans, chicken, sausage, ground beef, or lentils, each protein option brings its unique flavor and nutritional benefits to the table. So, go ahead and experiment with different combinations to find your perfect bowl of minestrone soup. Section 5. The magic of meal prep. Minestrone to the rescue. In today's busy world, finding time to cook healthy meals can be a challenge. Minestrone soup is a meal prepper's dream, as it's easy to make a large batch that will last throughout the week. Simply double or triple the recipe and store the leftovers in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. When you're ready to eat, just reheat a serving on the stovetop or in the microwave for a quick and nutritious meal. Section 6. One Pot Wonder. A complete and satisfying meal. Minestrone soup is often referred to as a one-pot wonder because it's a complete and satisfying meal. With its combination of carbohydrates from the pasta and vegetables, protein from the beans and optional meat or lentils, and healthy fats from the olive oil, it provides all the nutrients your body needs. A single bowl of minestrone can keep you feeling full and energized for hours, making it an excellent choice for lunch, dinner, or even a light supper. Pair it with a slice of crusty bread for dipping, and you have a simple yet satisfying meal that's bursting with flavor and good for you. Section 7. Budget-friendly feast. Healthy eating made affordable. Another great thing about minestrone soup is that it's incredibly budget-friendly. By using pantry staples like canned tomatoes and beans and taking advantage of seasonal vegetables, you can create a delicious and nutritious meal without breaking the bank. Minestrone is a great way to stretch your grocery budget while still enjoying wholesome home-cooked meals. It's a reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive, and that some of the tastiest dishes are also the most economical. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.